Kevin here with Hoyt Expedition. Going to show you how to replace the boot on the slip yoke of the drive shaft. We were doing some wheeling and ours ended up getting torn. So here's some of the tools you'll need. You have a ratchet. You'll need a 6.8mm socket. You'll need a pair of pliers, some side cutters, a hammer, and a screwdriver. The screwdriver's to help you knock the drive shaft loose. And I used a jack stand just to hold the drive shaft up because I didn't want to pull the whole drive shaft off. I just wanted to pull the back off, slide the new boot over, and put it on. All right. Well, the first thing we're going to need to do, first, make sure your wheels are chocked, because when you take a drive shaft off, the vehicle will roll, because, you know, park doesn't matter at that point. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take out these bolts. I'm sure they're metric, but we're from the country that put people on the moon, so that will be freedom units, and that's going to be a 5/16.
Yep, it is. 5/16.
Let's see here. Turn this around. I'm good.
Oh, this one's dead.
No.
I mean, not dead, but it's probably charging. It's coming out a little bit.
Alright, now if we can get up here and get this last one.
I will tell you when you're on it.
Where's that? Right. Where's Waldo? There it is. Oh, no, lost it. Where you at?
Okay, keep left. Go right. Go down.
Keep left, keep right.
Go down.
Hey, let's try it over here. No. Alright, we're gonna have to go El Manuel on it, I believe.
What does that mean?
Give me my... Oh, maybe.
Hammer. Wrench.
Yeah.
Your wrench.
No, my ratchet. Yeah, him and my ratchet.
Daddy, it was literally right beside it on
I
the
know,
top.
but I couldn't get it.
You could have just
Just hand me the ratchet.
taken down.
Is it that one, or do we need a bigger one?
Oh, that's it.
Yep, that one's it. Okay. Right there. I mean, yeah, it's right there. Kind of lift a little bit.
Yeah, that ought to get it. Oh, I can probably get it with the button now.
Okay.
Maybe.
Maybe not.
There it is. Alright, so that one's loose, and that one's loosey-goosey. Alright, so let me get you over here. What we're going to try to do is, there's a couple of holes right here on either side that boats don't line up with. And we're going to try to put us a punch through here and push this off. It should just fall out now. Alright.
I need to put a jack stand up.
Just hand me the screwdriver first.
So this is
Let me see what you got.
this one.
That'll do. That will do. Alright. Just hold this up with your hands for now. Just just hold it up.
Like you're gonna do some weights.
Yeah, it shouldn't be.
Is it heavy?
It shouldn't be that bad. Not cooperating thus far, though. Just put that out there. You know, if a guy had a different size punch, maybe. Ow. Where'd that go? Did y'all see where that went?
Yeah, I got it.
All right, let's see it. Oh, we moved some, though, that time. That's good, that's good. That's a start. That's what we want to see.
There's one coming out.
Oh yeah, we're flipping it.
Let me get some space, Riley.
Oh, we're almost out now.
I do see some yellow stuff.
What?
I did see some yellow stuff.
Probably just some.
It's probably this part of the Jeep.
Alright, we're just giving a little bumpskis here. Little tap. Oh.
Woo!
We're winning now, boys and girls.
That's what I saw.
Alright, alright. Back up.
Back up.
She's good. I think, maybe held on here just a smidge. Let's do that. See if we.
Oh, it's budging.
There we go. We are out of here, boys and girls. All right, so let's look at what we're replacing here. Let's move this jack stand back this way. My helper Riley here and Patriot Rose.
Right here.
Yeah, lower it down some more. Keep lower it all the way down. Watch your fingers. Let it go. All right, right there. Now raise it up. There.
And we're gonna do it good.
All right, so very important with these drive shafts is they are weighted. All right, they're balanced, so you want to make sure you put them together the same way you take them apart. So what I recommend you do is make you some marks. I've got a couple of just Sharpies here. We're gonna give it a try. Let's see if any of them will mark on here any good. And we'll...
Yeah, let's make it some marking.
You see red?
Yeah.
2. Do we see a 2? All right, we're just gonna try to slip this off. We cleaned up a spot here and we marked it here. This has to stay in line. Otherwise, the drive shaft will be off balance and cause vibrations as you're going down the road. I'm gonna pull this off and let one of my helpers slip the new one on for us.
I will.
So.
I will, Patriot. Stop.
Hey, y'all two cut it out. This is what you get when you hire cheap help people. You wanna pay a little extra so you don't have to put up with the hoodlums over here.
You need a naked, Daddy?
No, I need the piece that you are supposed to be sliding on for me.
Ow!
Hey, y'all cut it out.
I was just getting over. I barely just touched her.
Hey, if I have to get onto y'all again.
Okay.
Alright, so it was not there. Our circle's here, right?
Yes.
So we need to
Find the other circle.
go this way.
Oh yeah.
Circle, circle.
Yes, circle.
Perfect.
When I feel so.
Alright. And just like that, you don't even have to remove the front of the drive shaft. You can get the new one on.
Yep.
Alright, let's try to get this line back up, and then we're home free.
Woo!
There's a little Look here. I'm gonna mess with this for a minute, and I'll bring you back in when I get one started. All right, here we go. We got them started now. So we're just gonna run them down. Real quick. Alright, now we're going to get our torque wrench out. They all need done to 15 pounds. They're little bitty bolts. They don't need much. You don't want to strip them out or spin the heads on them. Alright, you can kind of see where the original clamps were. So you just bring it back over there. And then you use your fancy tool to squeeze this together. I don't have one. I'm going to try just some side cutters on either side of it. Put them something like this. Give her a good old squeeze. Swap over and try to even it out. Yeah. One more over here for goodly measures. Just like that, you're having a brand new slip yoke boot on your Jeep. There we go. Anyway, thanks for watching. Well, that concludes that little project. Friendly reminder, don't forget to chock your wheels. Drive shaft comes loose, Jeep rolls over you, ends a good day. Remember, it doesn't matter what you're driving, it's where you're going. Have a good one.